Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel RPS Beauty World. My name is Rajashree and I hope you all are doing well. So without further ado, let's start today's video. So as you can see, today's video is about a review of a liquid lipstick, and the name of the liquid lipstick is Blue Heaven Elegance Matte Lip Color. So as you can see that the name, that is Blue Heaven Elegance Matte Lip Color, is written on the front side of the bottle. The packaging is simple. It do have a transparent bottle, frozen bottle, so that you can easily identify the lip shade or lip color, and the number of the lip shade is written on the cap. They do not have any name for the shades. It contains 6 ml of product, and the remaining details, that is price, expiry date and manufacturing date, etc., written on the back side of the packaging. But unfortunately my camera is not picking up of the details, so let me tell you, the price is 105 rupees only, and the shelf life of the lipsticks is 2 years. That means you can easily use the lipsticks for a long 2 years. That is a very good point. So coming to the packaging is quite sturdy. You can easily travel with these lipsticks, and as they are transparent, that means you can easily identify the lip shade that you have. Now moving to the hand swatches. So the first shade is 01, and this is the hand swatch of this particular shade. I will insert the image of lip swatch as well without makeup. And as you can see, this is a very beautiful maroonish red color. Now moving to the second shade that I have, that is 07, and this is a dark purple shade with grace undertone, and this is also a very beautiful shade. Now moving to the third shade that I do have, that is shade number 11. It is a nude shade, pinkish nude shade with brown, little bit of brown undertone, you can say that. So these are the hand swatches of the lipsticks that I do have with me, that is 01, 07 and number 11. So coming to the first shade, that is 01, it is a very beautiful brownish maroonish red shade with light blue undertone, and it will definitely suit almost all skin tone people, from fair to medium to deep to dark to dusky, everyone. Now coming to the second shade, that is 07. Again, this shade will complement all Indian skin tones, and particularly if dark beauties are going to wear this, it will look a very beautiful plum kind of nude to them. Now moving to the last shade, that is 11. It is a nude shade for, I would say that it will suit for only for fair skin tone. Even sometimes it washes me as well. I am coming under a fair to medium skin category, and since it washes me as well, I need to wear this with a darker lip liner, then it suits me. Now moving to the taste, that is whether it is transferring or not. So here you can see that the swatches are completely dried up, and here you can see the second shade is bit wet, because I applied 2 to 3 coats, and maximum it take about 30 to 45 seconds to dry up completely. And now we will check that whether they are transferring or not. Now we will do the smudge proof and transfer proof test for these lipsticks. So you can see that I do have nothing on my fingers, Shade number 11 is not smudging at all and not transferring as well. Shade number 01 is also not smudging and not transferring. Wow. Now moving to the middle shade, that is shade number 07. This one is also not smudging and not transferring. If I will say something about the consistency, shade number 11 is a bit watery compared to the remaining two shades. Without food, they will last about 6 to 7 hours on your lips, and if you are eating something, then they may fade from the inner rim of your lips. So this is all about the review of this Blue Heaven Elegance matte lip color. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share with your family and friends. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.